We decided a few years ago that we wanted to change the way that we were doing family learning groups in Wrexham. We wanted them to be, we wanted our parents to take more ownership of them. And the Swazi Project is just one example of the work that they've undertaken, really. And it's had such a positive impact on the groups that have been involved. It's made them aware of all sorts of sort of global issues.
Our school is linked with a school in Swaziland, so they came and asked if we would help and do a project and send different things to the children over in the school.
We made games and things for them to take out there for them, because they don't have resources like our schools do. So.
Oh, we just do all different projects on, like computers, learning different stuff, arts and things. Jewellery we made.
And you do things you didn't even think you could do. You know, you come out with like making jewellery and things. Well, you wouldn't have thought sitting there with a needle and cotton making a bracelet. No, but it works.
I think it's given them self-worth and confidence that, you know, to be able to share things across the world like that. That's made here in Ruaben and gone right across the world.
Our children, compared to them, are so spoiled. They have everything they've ever wanted. And then when you look at the pictures, when we were showing the pictures and everything, they haven't got
spoke for
a
about
toilet.
half an hour because it was unbelievable, the difference.
The things that they haven't got and we just take for granted.
Having known them from the beginning and to see what they've done today, I think we're all just extremely proud of them. They've worked very hard and they do every week. They're a committed a very committed group of parents that meet us every week, and they're a joy to be with.
Well done to all of you. We are all so incredibly proud of what you've achieved. Well done, and carry on with a very good work.
We're chuffed for Michelle and Sue and them, because they put so much hard work into us lot. You know, I mean, to put up with us one day a week is a miracle, you know. So, you know, they deserve everything they get.